Hi everyone, Ricky Rathore here again, broker owner at Remax Metropolis. Today I'm at the House of Assembly with Irfan Bhatti. Irfan, tell us more about the master plan community. What makes this a master plan community?
So the master plan community, whenever you're building something like that, it's a huge undertaking and there's a lot of pieces that come together to build that. What we're doing here at the Sterling Junction here, we're starting off with the House of Assembly condos, a 254 suite building, 17 stories, everything from a 1-bedroom all the way up to a 3-bedroom to extend, so something for everyone. But that's only the first step in the master plan community. After that, we have a phase 2, which will probably be coming shortly after, followed by a phase 3. In total, we're looking at about 650 units by Marlin Spring and Greybrook. But also, so that's the residential part. We have Hines who's coming in, and they're doing 3 commercial buildings right behind our site as well. What does that give you? 480,000 square feet of commercial space. So now you've got the work covered. And when it comes to play, we have restaurants that are already existing in the community. We have our contemporary museum of art and local breweries. We have the Nestle Chocolate Factory, which is there as well too. What we're building here is basically a community where people would love to call it home. People would enjoy walking around the street. Very low density when it comes to overall, and you look at different communities around Toronto. It's a nice little pocket here at Sterling Junction.
Tell us more about the builders.
So Marlin Spring, very reputable developer, done quite a few projects both in the outskirts, different suburbs, but also in the condo market. Last year, we had success with the Taylor condos. They also worked on the Stockyard condos, which I'm sure you guys are aware of as well.
Tell the listeners about why they should buy here. What makes this the next big project?
So again, we are first of many developments that are going to be coming the Bloor, Dundas, and Lansdowne neighborhood. The reason why it makes sense to buy here at the House of Assembly or even in the Sterling Junction is because we're putting forth 100 out of 100 transit. What does that mean? That means you can get anywhere in the city of Toronto you want to within an 8-minute walking distance to either the Lansdowne stop, the Bloor station, the Up Express, and even the GO train. So everything's accessible here within an 8-minute walk, and that's what gives us that 100 transit score. When you're looking at for an investment anywhere in the city, you want to have transit, and there's no better place other than Union Station that will give you a transit score as good as this.
Fantastic. If anybody's interested in this project, reach out to me or one of my team members. We're happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.